Is this kind of in the...
Yep, we can see it now. So the next step, once you come from the field, you can see that ND's showing the HHD and the field to mobile is still running. The first thing you would like to do is you would like to turn it off. And there you go. You can see the start menu on HHD. So the first thing is we will be syncing the HHD. So to do that, you connected the HHD to the USB cable to the system, and afterwards you will go to the Sync HHD button, and then it will say done retrieving HHD data. It shows us one deployment, one pickup location, and there were no errors at all. So this is important before you start downloading the data. And once it's done, the next step is to start downloading the data. To do that, we'll take our sensor, we will dock it to the harvester. You heard the click sound. And then you can close this program, the Fairfield Spread Display or ArcGIS, and the first thing you would like to do is go to the management console. And we can go to the rack view. As you can see, the data is automatically downloaded. It tells you that the data size, it's only 2.57 megabytes because we didn't stay out long. And you can see the battery level, and you can see how much data is collected. Again, if it's a small size data, it's not going to take too much time to download it. If it's a bit large data, more than 1 gigabyte, it may take maybe up to 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Just keep in mind. And once you download the data, you can start save. You would like to save your file. So to do that, one thing we're going to do is we will click on the Job Explorer on the left hand side at the bottom. So, and there you go. Once you click on the job, you can go to the shot management. It's right under receiver management. You will right click on it, and then you go to the shooting simulation, and then you can see that this is one of the shot locations we uploaded. So what you would like to do is you would like to click that and shoot. Click on the shoot button, and there you go. This is something unfortunately you have to do if you want to save your continuous data. Once you're done with that, you can actually close this program or take down the window, the whole Harvest Management Console. And then what you would like to do is you would like to go to Output File Viewer on the right top corner. Okay. So I'm sorry, this is not the file. This is not the one. So we have to go to the media output. Sorry about that again. Okay, here what you have to do is you have to select your job. In our case, it was video test, and click on the green plus sign for the plan. And then for the plan name, you can give video test again, the same name. The output file format will be Fairfield Continuous. And then you can say save. And afterwards you are going to go to the create data selection part, which is on the right, and then you can see that the receiver stations, you can extend that. You can select how many receivers you had. We're gonna select all of them, but since we only deployed one sensor, it's most likely going to save one sensor at all. You can leave them actually all clicked. It's okay because the program knows how to save it. But before you save it, the important thing here is the record length indicated with milliseconds. So it shows us 30,000 milliseconds. You can change that number up to 1 hour. In our case, we're just going to leave it as 30,000 milliseconds, or you can select as however you like it. But just keep in mind there's a limitation in terms of the one trace length. So as we are done with that, we're going to continue with the save changes, and then you will go to the last section, which is the selection created, and then click on the middle button with the hard disk on it. It says the save to the new storage, and then in order to do that, you have to browse it. The first thing you have to do, actually, we forgot to mention, you would like to go to your jobs folder on Windows, and then create under your video test job directory. For it was video test, and create a folder called harvested or data downloaded. Okay, so Andy is going to try to make the selection again. And under jobs, he is going to go down to video tests, and there you go, harvest it, and then hit OK. There you go, and then hit OK again. And you can click on the storage units, which is on the left, and you can see the process. There you go. The output is complete. And if you go back to the Windows the video test folder, and if you go to the harvested, and you have to go to the other, there you go. It's .fcnt, which is the one that Fairfield continuous. From this point, you can either view it with the seismic visualization, or you can save it as a SAG file, and then you can view it on SAG or any other program, just like Python, OpsBy package. That's it.